Happy 80th birthday, Lieutenant General Dr. Isaiah Risi Bamaiyi retired, GCON, Uban Yarki of Zuru. Born of Zuru noble soil, a child of KB land, a soldier, scholar, servant heart, with steady, guiding hand. From NDA in 68, you wore the uniform proud, young officer, staff, forces. You stood out in the crowd. Commandant of Lagos Garrison, Chairman Nigerian Army War Museum, Defense Service Star, Forces Service Star, Meritorious Service Star, General Service Melder, Distinguished Service Melder, Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, GCON. You rose through the trials of duty with courage never sway. Chief of Army in turbulent time. From 96 till 99, you bore your ranks with gravity, your duty well defined. Happy birthday, General, glory in your dignified grace. May your days be full of peace, your legacy time cannot erase. Honored husband, Uban Yarki, Dr. Mata at your side. Behind a successful man, that is a successful woman. May God's blessing crown your life, as in His love you abide. True medals, honors, sacrifice, GCON and stars align. You distinguished, meritorious, service awarded in your fight. Not just a soldier of command, but a man of community. Bonding Zuru sons and daughters in unity and dignity. In times of trial, shadow, controversy, you face with strength and faith. Acquitted, standing firm, your name endures beyond debate. Now we give thanks, we raise our voice in this October day, praying for more years filled with joy in wisdom's gentle way. We also bless the memory of Pastor Bamaiyi, Sunday Sanshi, Madam RCP Bamaiyi, whose love still lives so plainly. May their spirit rest in peace, contented, honored, free, their lives entwined with yours, their legacy in memory. General Isaiah Risi Bamaiyi, our respect, our voice, our song. May this year brings you strength and in to carry ever strong. Happy birthday. May you walk in favor, in honor, in God's light. Uban Yarki of Zuru, may your future ever be bright. Amen.